Welcome to hell. Welcome to hell, guys. So guys, you're gonna see, what they refer to as hell, and we're gonna show you all the work. So stay with us, guys. Stay tuned. Welcome back to our channel. This is We Are Young Family, guys. We're heading to where we heading, babe?
Going to hell.
We're going to hell. Guys, the rain will fall, but we are headed to hell. And hell is a popular attraction per se, and I don't know, we just felt like, even though the rain is falling, to go see hell today. So guys, we're going to hell today, right? So guys, we hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to like up our video, guys, share, comment, and subscribe. How long is the journey, babe? 20 minutes.
Hell is a group of short black limestone formations located in Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands. Located in West Bay, it is roughly the size of half a football field. Hell is a must-go-to place in the Cayman Islands. Hell is a small place with a local post office and souvenir shops, famous for its geological formations which protrude from the ground and resemble hell landscape. As well as for its name, you can send greetings from hell. Try to plan an hour here, and do not forget to bring addresses to those you wish to send postcards to. Stamps can be bought on site. Parking is also free.
So guys, the place actually clear up, there's no longer any rain, people. Guys, if we follow the weather, because we never have the camera out because the rain was falling, right? You see how hard the rain was falling, and Bobby said, but wait, how we are go? I say, we are explorers. Look at things that we never follow our mind, guys. We just, get ready and leave. And the weather is actually really nice. So guys, we reach Hell Road, right? Or rather, we're heading to the destination, but this road is actually dubbed Hell Road. And I think I want school over there, so but it's not in session. Health service at gas station, people. That's the health service at gas station right there. They name everything off of the hill, So guys, that's the hell service station. That's the hell gas station, people. They would do our work this. Everything to put the name hill right here, so yeah. So we're heading to the destination, guys. That's the Hell Primary School, guys.
So guys, we are at Hell Post Office. So welcome to Hell, and Hell's only post office, guys. So here you can send a postcard from Hell. You can actually send a postcard from Hell, guys, in the Cayman Islands.
Yes, welcome to Hell and Hell's post office. We're in the post office. The post office really nice, Leo.
Oh, you can walk.
Come, Baba.
Walk.
We're going to Hell's post office.
So guys, this is Hell's post office. The only post office in Hell.
Imagine you said one meal and they said
from hell.
From hell. But look how it look nice. Look nice, no?
Never stop them always nice. Always nice and appealing.
All in our
Oh yeah, I think here is the entrance. This is what I was looking for now.
We went 2 different ways before. I was finally finding the entrance.
Right. So guys, this is the real entrance to hell. So guys, welcome. Welcome to hell. Now this is hell. So this actually says this bizarre rock formation is said to be millions of years old. In spite of its volcanic appearance, they are actually limestone rocks eaten away by algae and ravaged by the elements. The name hell is said to have evolved a long time ago when an early British commissioner was touring the island. It is alleged that he arrived at this site, took one look and exclaimed, "My God, this must be what hell looks like." The site then forever became known as hell. According to a later story, a British commissioner named Cardinal was visiting the area and accompanied some friends on a bird shooting expedition. Somewhere in this vicinity, he took aim and shot and missed, then muttered, "Oh hell." The site then became known as hell. So guys, this is hell. Welcome to hell. Babe, now I feel hot here, so. I see something, man.
Like, seriously, I feel a little warmer over my head and everything. I don't know.
Guys, this must be hell for sure because I feel warm all of a sudden. And the time is overcast and very cool and windy. But here it's just warm. Mercy. Like hot. Not even warm, hot.
This is weird.
This is so weird. I'm gonna get the hell out of here very fast.
Let's go, let's go.
So guys, this is hell for you. Well, these are the limestone rocks. It extends way out. And these are a close-up of the rocks. These are what they are actually looking like. We have some water underneath. I heard this area was actually flooded before and then the water receded and then leaving the limestone rock.
What the hell? What the hell, Petro? Guys, this is the Devil's Hangout Hills, the largest gift shop entry. Okay. But over there, so it is Devil's Hangout Viewing Gallery, gifts, souvenirs and t-shirts, but I think it's closed. Devil's Hangout. Okay. I think it's closed. Today's Saturday. Remember, the tourists not really come here, you know. You understand? So if the tourists they not come here, them not really have no need to open because who's buying souvenirs? Not the locals. Alright, people. Let's oh, what's going on here? Do not climb or sit on the railing. Guys, look at this little guy right here. Want a picture with him, Leo? Ooh, devil! Let's see what's going on. These are the rocks, guys, but we're gonna give you a better view. better view, guys. Jesus died for all of us, so give him your heart and go to heaven. You see that, people? Jesus died for all of us, so give him your heart and go to heaven, because we're in hell now, you know. So they're just telling you to give God your heart and go to heaven, because we're in hell. So guys, this is the view, people. Wish me could have go down there. I know, but I wish me could have go down there. Look on that little devil man.
They don't put him
I
in
didn't put him in there. Like seriously? Guys, are you seeing that little devil man on the rocks? It's not easy at all. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in with We Are Young Family. We really do hope you enjoyed the video. This is hell for you guys.
Until next time.
We've been to hell and back, right? So until next time.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Say bye, Pyro.
Jesus saves guys. So please be good and go to hell.